Every Squarespace site and parking page comes with a built-in domain, also known as a Squarespace URL. Your built-in domain will be formatted like this: yoursiteid.squarespace.com. We automatically create your site ID using 2 randomly generated words and sometimes a random string of characters. You can change your site ID at any time. To do this, navigate to the Domains panel. Under Built-in Domain, click the domain. Enter a new site ID. This becomes the first part of your built-in domain before the .squarespace.com, and click Save. If this site ID is taken, you'll see an error message. Once you've chosen your site ID, your built-in domain will change and you'll receive a confirmation email for your records. You'll always see your built-in domain in your browser address bar when you're logged in, even if you have a custom domain. A custom domain is an address you choose for your site, like yourdomain.com. When you register, transfer, or connect a custom domain to your site, visitors accessing your site with that custom domain will see it in their browser address bars instead of your built-in domain. If you don't already have a custom domain, you can register one through Squarespace. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.